Looking for a good VPS solution? Check our website for prices. First, add all the required dependencies using the following command. After installing all dependencies, add the Terraform gnupg key and repository using the following command. Once the repository is added, you can install the Terraform package. After the successful installation, verify the Terraform version using the following command. You can also install a specific version of Terraform from the official website. You can download it with the following command. Once the download is completed, unzip the downloaded file. Next, move the Terraform binary to the system location. You can now verify the Terraform version using the following command. You will get the following output. That means you install the specific version of Terraform. The autocomplete allows you to see all Terraform subcommands after pressing the Tab key. You can install this feature with the following command. To activate the autocomplete feature, log out and log in again to your terminal shell or run the following command. Next, run the Terraform command and press the Tab key twice to verify the autocomplete feature. To use Terraform, first create a directory for your project. Next, navigate to your project directory and create a Terraform configuration file. Add the following code. Save and close the file, then initialize a Terraform with the following command. This will automatically download the provider configuration to the Terraform directory. Next, you will need to define resources definition, set AWS variables, then generate and display an execution plan. You can generate it with the following command. Finally, build and deploy your infrastructure using the following command. If you want to destroy the Terraform managed infrastructure, run this command.